Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. SwS Crash here. First off, I just want to say thanks for all the support this last year. The channel is growing quite a bit, and figure the last video of the year, what I would do would be a cold start on my 03 F-250 Super Duty. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great and safe holiday. And if you drink and drive tonight, be sure to either call an Uber or have somebody give you a ride, or somebody wherever you're drinking at, if you're able to, stay there, because you know as well as I do, the cops are going to be out like crazy.
By the 5th Judicial District.
Gotta love fuel injection. My old Chevy used to start like that too, but not quite that easy. Lengthen my rod here. Alright. I'm going to family house tonight with my girlfriend. Plan on drinking quite a bit of Jack and Coke. Plan on it, but you know as well as I do, plans change. Sometimes you end up doing shit by yourself. It all depends on how everything goes. Yeah, I know I'm using the scraper side, but right now I really don't give a flying fuck. You know why? The truck's almost 20 years old. Well, almost 18 years old actually. But it's bought and paid for. And no, it wasn't bought with YouTube money, because I don't get YouTube money. This was bought with my hard-earned money from working. Would it be nice to get YouTube money? Yeah, it'd be nice. It'd make things somewhat easier, somewhat more enjoyable. But the rate my channel is going, and the way nobody leaves a comment, or likes the video, or shares it, I just don't see that happening. But you know what I say? Oh well. Shit happens and life goes on. So on that note, hope y'all have a safe and happy holiday. I'm gonna go get fucking drunk tonight, regardless of what anybody says. And see you next year.